Okay, you guys, it is sliced up, a little bit of butter on it. We are ready to go. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to make banana nut bread in my Kasori air fryer. You're going to need 2 overripe bananas. I usually prefer them a little riper than this, but they'll still work. So you want to mash the 2 bananas really well so it kind of looks like this. And you need 1 well-beaten egg. Then you want a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and a 1/2 cup of sugar, and you want to cream those well. Then you want to add the egg, the 2 mashed bananas, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla to the butter and sugar mixture. Okay, so we have the butter, sugar, eggs, and banana mixed really well. It'll look like this. Then you want to add 1/2 cup flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. You're supposed to whisk these together, but I usually don't. Okay, baking soda, salt, and flour are all mixed really well. We're going to go ahead and add our egg, vanilla, sugar, butter mixture to this. So now I'm going to go ahead and fold these ingredients together. Okay, the ingredients are all folded in well, usually a couple of minutes of folding. You just want to make sure you don't see any dry flour. You want everything really incorporated well. And in the meantime, I'm preheating the air fryer, and I've also pre-sprayed vegetable cooking spray in my mini air fryer pans. Okay, so generally at this time I would add my walnuts to the rest of the batter, but I'm not going to do it because my daughter doesn't want any nuts in hers. So what I'm going to do is pour the batter in each mini loaf pan, and then I'll just put nuts in one. Okay, so this is about how full it's going to be. This recipe is actually for 1 mini loaf pan, but this is going to still work because this way we can have one with nuts and one without. Okay, so we have the mini loaf pans in the air fryer basket. We're going to go ahead and set it on the dessert setting for 40 minutes, which is this one right here. And so we're just going to go ahead and adjust this. And that's all we do is we sit and wait, and they'll be ready in 40 minutes. And you guys are probably thinking, where do you keep your air fryer? Well, I keep it in the garage because it doesn't heat up the house that way. Okay, you guys, the banana nut bread is ready. We got nuts on the front one, and this one is no nuts. I have a confession to make. I actually was wrong on the ingredients. The ingredient count that I give in the description is for 1 loaf pan, not 2. It still works out. It's just I had to adjust the temperature times and whatnot. It worked out great because I only wanted nuts on one and not the other. So, I mean, it worked out for the best. But you guys can pick up that Kasori air fryer. I'll put the link in the description. And we're going to let this cool off a bit and slice it up. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.